Why does NTP require bidirectional firewall access to UDP port 123? From what are the IPTABLE's rules to permit NTP? Also, from the NTP website, NTPD requires full bidirectional access to the privileged UDP port 123. My question is, why? To someone not familiar with NTP, this seems like a potential security hole, especially when I'm asking a client of mine to open up that port in their firewall so that my servers can keep their time synchronized. Does anyone have a decent justification I can give to my client to convince them that I need this access in the firewall? Help is appreciated. Smile.
You only need allow incoming traffic NTP's ports if you are acting as a server, allowing clients to sync to you. Otherwise, the existence of an NTP state will automatically determine whether the incoming NTP packet is blocked or allowed by an existing firewall state that we initiated. IPTABLE's A output PUDP Sport 123D port 123J accept. IPTABLE's A input M state established, related J accept. Please let me know if the IPTABLE's rules are proper. I have no experience with IPTABLE's. My NTP client stays synchronized on my Sense router with only an outgoing allow rule because Sense is a stateful firewall.
NTP requires bidirectional access on port 123 because the NTP RFC specifies the following regarding the source port of the client. When operating in symmetric modes, 1 and 2, this field must contain the NTP port number port 123, assigned by the YANA. Since the client source port is 123, when the server sends the response back it'll send it to port 123. Naturally, in order to be able to receive that response the client must allow incoming responses on port 123. Normally responses would come back on some ephemeral port range. As Ben Cook mentioned above, this is only required when dealing with a stateless firewall, as a stateful firewall would allow the response to come back without an explicit rule.
Force holddown, processor